Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect your SoundCloud with your Facebook. Like how you can give your SoundCloud preference on your Facebook account. First of all, open up the Facebook mobile application. What you have to do is just copy the link of your SoundCloud ID. After that, log into your account on Facebook. Once you log into your account, go to the three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon that is appearing in the top right. Once you're in your account, click on your account name and from here go to edit profile, the pencil one. Once you're here, scroll down and click on add links. Click on add social links and at the top you should find platform. Click on platform and from here select SoundCloud. And from here you can add the username of your SoundCloud and that is how you can link your SoundCloud to your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.